Now we study the Raoult's law. That's a very important topic in the chapter solution. Raoult's law. Raoult's law is given by the French chemist Francois Marty Raoult in 1886. Actually, this gives the relationship between the vapor pressure of volatile liquid and the mole fraction of the solution. It states the relationship between the vapor pressure of volatile liquids, the mole fraction and the mole fraction in the solution. You know about the mole fraction very well. What are the volatile liquids and what is the vapor pressure? Vapor pressure actually vapor pressure is actually the pressure in a closed container if any solute or solvent present in the liquid phase, then it goes into the vapor phase and exert a pressure on its surface, then such a pressure is known as the vapor pressure of that liquid. Volatile, it means such liquids which can be converted into vapor phase by heating. They are the volatile, and non-volatile, they do not go into the vapor phase. They are non-volatiles. According to Raoult's law, for a solution of volatile liquids, the partial vapor pressure of each component, here the binary solution, there are the components A and B, only two component system. First one is a solvent and second is the solute of the solution is directly proportional to its mole fraction present in the solution. It means the P is directly proportional to the mole fraction of component of solute, it may be, or it may be solvent, any one component. So this relationship given by Raoult that's a very important. There are two cases of Raoult's law. We will study these cases one by one in the next videos. Thank you.